back everybody to this brand new video. Now if you read the title, then you would already know that this is going to talk about the community challenge, the Armory 3D's community game jam. Now this is the first one we've done so far, and hopefully it will not be the last. That's right, the community game jam is basically a challenge to build a game in a limited time and submit it, and then everybody can go check it out and vote which one is the best. Now there are a few beginners out there, there are a lot more advanced people out there. Now probably not all 9 currently joined people will submit, but hopefully we'll get a decent amount of submissions that we can have a look through and see what people have been after. People have been doing. Now this game jam starts tomorrow, although it's probably already started if you're watching this video in the future, or if you're watching it more than after the time, then you have 2 weeks to submit it. So if you go check the link down in the description, you might not be too late, but if you are and you don't actually have a current project you're working on that you can submit, or one that you can think of that you would like to submit, then you can just go out and check it out, see what other people have been doing, which is kind of the whole point of the community game jam. Now currently the theme is undefined, as in you can do whatever you want, submit anything. And the only rules that there are is well, that you have to use non-copyright assets. You have to either make everything yourself, or we've provided a bunch of like CC0 textures and open source things that, well, not open source, but royalty-free assets and things and resources and things like that. Now there are a bunch of links that we've added down here for help. You've got the Armory manual, you've got the Discord server that you're welcome to join and ask a question anytime you want. The people down there are really awesome. You got obviously the Armory forum, and well, that's about it. Hopefully I'll see you over there, and if you do want to join in, please join in and submit your your game before the 21st of April 2021 at 12 AM, but obviously times will differ because different countries and different time zones and things like that. But it's the 21st of April if you want to submit, and if you don't, then you still have a 2-day after the end of the submission. You still have 2 days to vote and see which one is the best and vote. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are in fact thinking of joining, then please leave a comment down below of what you think you might be submitting. And now for those who don't have much ideas, well, I can tell you that there are a bunch of possibilities, such as racing games, which I found to be rather interesting with Armory 3D. I've been working with some myself, testing them out for a possible tutorial series. There are also FPS games, such as first-person shooters, and well, there's a bunch of other things, more casual things. You don't need to make a super complex game for people to like it. The most basic games are sometimes the most likable. Imagine Flappy Birds. I keep coming back to that for some reason, but it's super simple and yet people loved it. So try doing it like a simple platformer. Platformers are simple mechanisms, and you can concentrate on the game art. It doesn't need to be a crazy code with particle effects and big explosions and shooting. It doesn't even need to be a 3D game. You can use sprites, you can use planes and whatever, images and planes. So what I'm trying to say is, please try and submit. It doesn't need to be a AAA styled game. I'm probably not going to submit something huge. I'm probably going to submit a simple but fun project that was probably very scrappy, and if you look at it out of the game, then it will probably look like a complete mess. I'm no professional coder. I don't know how to code actually. I use visual scripting, which is why I use Armory. So please don't let this discourage you. If you're a beginner, then I urge you even more to join this game jam. And if you're an advanced user, then even more of a reason, because you have nothing to lose. All you can do is gain from it, knowledge wise and experience, and at the end you have a base of a project that you can follow up and probably, you know, sell commercially or something like that, which is also really cool, and it gives people confidence. And well, it's a community, it's a great community, so please come and join and try and submit, or at least come vote. Thank you very much, and please subscribe for more information about upcoming game jams. And well, you can definitely go check out the Armory 3D Discord, and then you can get up to date information down on there. Thank you very much, and have a good day.